Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the weekly reward from the Acorn Store in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, I'm going to open up the Acorn Store, and then here you will be able to claim a weekly reward. Go to the weekly selection, and then you will see the gold right here, and then you can get free gold like this. I've just obtained 1,000 golds. Wow. And then you can claim it weekly guys, and I got the rewards from this ice cream floor lamp for the weekly selection. Thank you guys, and that's how you can claim the weekly rewards from the Acorn Store in Heartopia. Don't forget to claim it so you will get golds for free. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!